Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share with you a cool way to make money online through surveys. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you how to sign up, endpoints and cash out. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so before you go down to signing up on this website, please do well to watch the video to the end so you don't miss any steps in this tutorial. So the name of this website is called Heycash. Alright, so heycash.com. Alright, so trust me on this, you wouldn't want to miss any steps or procedure as we walk through this survey website. Okay, okay. So as you can see, this is heycash.com/engb, which is indicating that currently in the United Kingdom. Okay, so I'm currently using a UK proxy. So this is the interface of Heycash. As you can see, you can um, download this application on your Play Store. Okay, you can download it on your Play Store and so download this app on your App Store for those who are using iPhone. Okay, so one benefit about Heycash is that you can actually play games, you can take surveys and earn money. So if you want to earn money within minutes, you just have to sign up with Heycash. So you just have to sign up with Heycash. So let's get down straight into the business. So trust me on this, if you want to earn real cash, you can jump on this Heycash. Now if you're outside the United States or the United Kingdom, you need a few things to get started. Now first, you need a proxy or a very strong VPN, all right, to access this site. For me, using a UK proxy, like I said. And then secondly, you need an email address, probably a UK email address. And then thirdly, you need to use a specific browser, right? So this browser is called Mrs. Browser. So on my dashboard, I'm going to show you the browser. It's called Mrs. Browser. Here's it, my dashboard. Yes, Mrs. Browser. So you can get this browser on the Play Store. So now let's go back to Mrs. Browser. I'm currently logged in to my Mrs. Browser, as you can see here. That's my Mrs. Browser. So let's go back. And then to sign up is very easy. Just a simple click on start earning. You can sign up by adding your email address. So just head over to your Mrs. browser and search for Heycash. Create an account by signing up with your email address, and then you earn a welcome bonus of 1,000 points. All right. So, and for Heycash, you earn points for each survey you complete, and you can cash out once you reach a minimum threshold of 5,000 points to your PayPal or gift card. It's that simple. Okay, so 5,000 points is equivalent to $5. It's equivalent to £5. So while we are here, I will just have to put in my email address, and then I'll be asked to put a password to get started. So let me put my email address. Okay, so here's my email address, and then I will proceed to click on continue. I'll proceed by clicking on continue. So let's wait while this will load. Remember, if you are new to Heycash and then you are signing up with your email address for the first time, you'll be asked to put in your password, and they will send you a code to your email requesting you to confirm your email address, and then you get a bonus of 1,000 points, which is equivalent to $1 or £1. So yeah, the privacy and terms of uses. Accept cookies. So here are the privacy of you can skip this if you don't have enough time to read through these privacy and terms. Okay, so let's see how this works. Okay, so on rewards, we are going to see about rewards on Heycash. Okay, so more than 154 rewards. Withdraw via PayPal. Choose from hundreds of different gift cards, as you can see here. So you can actually earn and then withdraw to your PayPal. You can actually cash out to Walmart, any choice of gift card that you wish for. Okay, so now remember I already put my email there, so I'll go back to sign up. I just wanted to show the rewards and how it works. So let's go back to sign up. Yeah, I'm going to put in my email address again. and click on continue. Okay, so yeah, I'm asked to put in a password. And I'll check in this box to accept the privacy policy and terms and conditions that are read, and then sign up. Let's see. Okay, I'm going to sign up now. So the message down here is saying that your email is not sold to any third party. So we just Heycash just need our email so that they can send us um, progress and also rewards that we need to redeem. So let's observe this as it will load up the next page. Okay, please click the link in the confirmation email. Now I'm going to my email to confirm this email with my Heycash account. So once I'm done, I'm going to receive a 1000 welcome bonus. So let's watch out for that. So let me go to my email. Here's my email. I'm going to refresh to get alright, so this is a message from Heycash. Welcome to Heycash, and I'm just going to confirm my email by clicking on confirm email address. Remember, we are using Mrs. Browser, so I'm just going to click on the Mrs. Browser and click on just once, to so it's going to launch the dashboard for my account. Okay, logged in successfully. Alright, so on my account, I need to claim this balance. Okay, so as you can see, welcome bonus. We are excited to have you join the surveys community to kickstart your journey. We are giving you a warm welcome with a generous gift of one. You see how great Heycash is, so sweet. On the screen here, you can see logged in successfully. Email has already been verified. Okay, so I'm just going to continue. Now 1000 points is equivalent to 0.74 pounds. If you are using a USA proxy, what you see is equivalent to $1. and the minimum withdrawal is 5,000 points. So here I'm just going to click on claim reward, so I can claim this 1,000 points. Okay, so thank you for your time watching this video. I know to you it may be a little bit longer, but it's worth your time. So immediately this 1,000 points is claimed. All right, so you can see my balance. I have 1,000 points. All right, so I can come here and play games for 571k points, 302k points. My first survey I'm going to take will give me 281 points. All right, so for the sake of this video, so for it not to be very long, I'm just going to do this survey by myself and then continue in my account. All right, so that is it for today's video. All right, the link to this Heycash is in my description box, or perhaps I will say in the description box of this video. If you are looking for a more of a way to make extra money online, I hope this tutorial has been helpful. So don't forget to like, give positive comments, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.